Alright guys, so this video is going to walk you through getting started on Homestyler. So the first thing you're going to do is you can click sign in or join now. You probably will have to click join now to start your account and choose sign up with Google. And then you're going to choose your school account. And then anything it says, make sure you click allow. Okay. Once you are logged in, okay, you're going to click, see I updated this all, you're going to click start designing for free right here. It may take a minute or two to load. Just exit out of that. You're going to click new design. You're going to create a project default view. I'm just going to choose the 3D view to default, and then it's going to show you what your options are. Alright, so you've got a blank canvas here. We're going to start by drawing our rooms. Okay. You can choose by drawing the rooms as a square. Okay. Or you can draw them by edge. And if your thing that you're making has different angled edges, I would do by edge. I'm going to do by center. I'm going to show you how to make like a container home, for example. So all your container homes have to be 8 feet by 20 feet. So all I'm going to do is start typing 8 feet. And then hit tab and change the other one to 20 feet. And then hit enter, and there's one of my containers of 18 feet by 20 feet. And I'm just going to kind of draw the general shape of my container home. And if it's off by a little bit, that's totally fine, as long as the foot number says 8 by 20 feet for the container home. And all I'm doing is starting to type. Okay, so as I pull it out, I just start typing and then it comes up. I'm not clicking on any boxes. Okay, so I chose to do I'm choosing to do 5 containers for my container home. It's kind of making this odd, different shape. It's all going to be one level. Then I'm going to go to doors, and I've got single door, double door. You can see all the different kinds. And actually, if you go to Model Library, choose Construction. This is where they have actually the doors that you'll want to use. So if I choose swing doors, here are all my options. Okay, if I want this to be my front door, I'm going to take it, I'm going to choose it, and then place it. Oh, sorry, still in that other mode. Hold on. Okay. So if I want that to be my front door, I'm going to place it there. And if I ever want to see my 3D view, I'm going to choose 3D. Or, sorry, hit this box. And it's going to switch your views so you can actually see what it looks like in your floor plan. Okay, so there's my door coming in. Now if you need to change the height, the width, the length, you can do that here. The elevation, right now it's kind of weirdly elevated, so I'm just going to make it 0. And I've got my door coming into my place. You can add any kind of doors, pass-through doors, any kind of interior doors. If you go down further, there's single doors, etc. There's a ton of them. Okay. There's sliding doors, which a lot of times they use in container homes or for their patios. Okay, you can add stuff in this view as well, if you would like. Me, preferably, I like to be in the 2D view to add stuff, and then I check it in the other view. So I'm adding some sliding doors into all my containers, and then I'm going to add some pocket doors. And they also have barn doors to go in between all the rooms. Now let's say I want to delete some of these walls here. I can also do that. Okay. If I just click on the wall and hit delete, it actually takes it out and makes it one big open room. Okay. That's it for this video. Check out the next video for adding windows and changing flooring.